उसका वेट नहीं होता है, वो तो यहाँ से भी बहुत ज्यादा
So kind of become more independent.
They're all mamas.
Love it, no? Fine.
सब बड़े हैं ना. Alpha सब खेल रहे हैं.
I mean, we don't have audio folk. तो मुझे ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि you love
My God.
alliance. I think it would be interesting if we had an alliance with whatever the Tyagis. Yeah. Whoever he's pretending to be.
Romantic alliance के बाद
इनको बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है भाई करके नाम निकालते हैं.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. My guests today are so interesting and I'm here with the questions you've been asking for a really long time. Season 3 कब launch होगा? The cast of Mirzapur is here with me and जैसा कि इनके बहुत ही important character कहते हैं कि शुरुआत में उन्होंने just join किया था, अब तो सच में मजा आ रहा है. Yeah, let's welcome all of them. Hello, thank you for doing this. तो कौन है वो कैरेक्टर जो कहता है शुरुआत में तो हाँ
उम्मीद है.
I love how he says it. And like I told them, look at them. This looks like a parallel universe. कि कहीं पे किसी planet में ये gang वहाँ चली गई है. Technically this gang, sands of Dune. Anything can happen. The cool characters. Intergalactic कहीं पे मचा सकते हो. Basically कहीं पे भी कलेश कर सकते हो. कहीं पे भी.
कहीं पर भी हम कालीन बिछा के कलेश कर सकते हैं. फैक्ट्री खड़ी की थी बाहर हमने ताश खड़ी की है ना.
No, I love it. ये मैं इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अगर आपने अभी तक तो देख लिया होगा ट्रेलर और the only word to describe it is explosive. जिनको लग रहा था जिनको ऑलरेडी बहुत एक्शन चाहिए था वो तो डबल खुश है. जिनको लग रहा था बैलेंस को ज्यादा नहीं है आप दोबारा ट्रेलर देखिए क्योंकि इस बार कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है. उसके बारे में बात करूँ शुरुआत आपसे ही करते हैं.
This is my first venture into the cotton in season 3. I have seen season 1 and 2. I am very well aware of what transpires in the walked in with my eyes open. See, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And yes, it is what it is.
Okay, the backbenchers are really
one second you finish answer fully. आप बताइए वायलेंस ज़्यादा है कि कम है इसमें?
Violence, ठीक ठाक.
ठीक-ठाक.
Diplomatic Andy, you तो can say.
But you also can say it's fine.
We actors.
Oh.
But you haven't.
तो वही करते हैं.
मेरे कैरेक्टर ने बोला कि violence is a serious piece of
वही तो मैं बोलना है. That's my next thing. तो lot of pressure. You still want to stick by ठीक-ठाक है?
No, I mean, actually, I'd stick by ठीक ठाक. Yeah.
ठीक-ठीक. You still want to stick by ठीक-ठाक है. आपको क्या लगता है गुड्डू भैया? आपको I remember हमारी एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी जहाँ आपने कहा था कि सेकंड सीजन में बड़े लोगों का ये था कि अरे यार ये इतना होल्ड बैक क्यों कर रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा सोच रहा है. यहाँ पे लाइक आई सेड कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है. So I think it was like the weight of that volcano to come out. क्या मेरा assumption सही है? Analysis क्या लग रहा है?
It's a grieving season. Truly, that's exactly what it was. Grieving and revenge. This one is full throttle.
But did you also have that kind? Because कभी-कभी actors also are growing with their character graphs, right? For you also, when you are into the character, for you also you're changing your entire way of looking at it, right?
Yes.
Was it cathartic for you in the way to just let go and like you are literally screaming? You know, was it like that for you also?
Actually, that particular shot is I had not expected that to be. It's a very iconic point in the show where the guru came and gave me a direction. He just whispered in my ear because it was very violent, very whatever. And he came and said something which I couldn't believe. I've never heard from a director in such a context. And I said, "Are you sure?" And so it's a very such a violent scene becomes a very vulnerable for this man. At least I hope it comes across eventually when we watch it. So you see how it's just. So no, it's not all going crazy, right? We are always hiding, and whatever you are hiding is what really make it, the stuff of good or not.
जवाब रहे हैं obviously.
ठीक ठाक आज हम सिर्फ ठीक ठाक only we're gonna go with your word जहाँ पे doubt होगा हम कह देंगे ठीक ठाक
हे भगवान.
Okay.
Vijay, you want to add something? No,
ठीक ठाक है मुझे ठीक ठाक नहीं
चलो कोई तो सच बोल रहा है. आप कैरेक्टर्स की तरह अपने कैरेक्टर्स में है सच बोलो.
I practiced this thing yaar in front of the mirror the gun thing it's a very taxi driver moment right for Mirzapur
Exactly.
that's his thing like this goes yeah you might well have a mirror in front of you and be like I'm not gonna do De Niro but I'm gonna say Pooja
So much. I'm just holding back.
So it's like unfortunately like your character.
it's crazy she's holding up like there's a gym sequence where okay, I don't want to say
क्या बोल सकते हो gym sequence? What are we going to not like talk little bit also?
no she worked out like a mad dog man I mean
As you can see, literally, Golu 1, Golu 2, Golu 3.
yeah she's like a mini Furiosa how do you say Furiosa yeah so it's
Stick Betty is the tag that I got on set. क्योंकि and in fact day 1 of shoot उससे पहले हम लोग एक ad shoot कर रहे थे and उस दिन मुझे realize हुआ कि अब तो mostly COVID positive हैं and I was crying because like fans we as actors we wait कि कब हम मिर्जापुर के set पे जाएंगे और तो test क्या thankfully वो negative था but I was still very unwell and that is when we had directed that scene and it's a beautiful shot in the mirror also and thanks to Guddu Golu gets into that world of body building not just because for physical fitness but also mental fitness क्योंकि जब आप बंदूक उठा रहे हो तो सिर्फ वो उसका वेट नहीं होता है वो तो यहाँ से भी बहुत सारा वेट उठाना
Oh, the mother. I love hearing your transformation because I see that in front of you. What a journey your characters had. Also, season 2 was one of my favorites because finally the women were given a lot of agency, and I thought it was fantastic to watch. And also the men around them, you know, who were slightly more empathetic and all of that, which I've told both of you before as well.
you see the weakness in men
Yeah, so I said more empathetic. I think like when you can recognize your weakness, you kind of become more empathetic.
they're all mama's boys
Love it. I'm fine.
trauma the सबका trauma है no alpha सब खेल रहे हैं
Alpha खेल रहा है अंदर से तो trauma है. So ये कर रहे हैं. आएंगे आप तो आपके trauma के क्या लगता है? But like talking about you know like I said, right now you look like literally Tomb Raider, literally the zone that he's set. But you see that transformation in her. आपके लिए बहुत मजा आया वो करना because now she's like I have to. There is no other way, and it's war. Tell me that moment for you because it must have been so interesting to play it on set also. Because
as actors you wait कि ऐसे scenes मिले जहाँ पे you can play and I'm not saying this because these guys are over here but season 3 में आप देखोगे where these people are so secure as actors that they and that's what I have जब मैं अपना co-actors का report card देखती हूँ कि किन के साथ मैंने काम किया I'm so satisfied because all of them are so giving and literally they make you perform better and they make you enjoy and there's this whole chunk of sequence that I have with somebody over here and that is like few of my favorite days of shoot because I think I just was in that zone and my co-actor just let me be and in fact जब मैं अपने उस दुनिया में थी गोलू के he actually told the crew that कोई उससे बात नहीं करेगा वो अपने जोन में है तो मतलब वाओ अगर ऐसे co-actors मिलते रहे तो फिर तो मतलब मजा ही मजा है
विजय की बात करें
oh shit. You also can be a fantastic actor.
TikTok
late entrant, right, to the season.
I was the second season into it.
Yeah, which is like, and but I feel like you made your space in the fandom, which is very difficult to do usually, because we all know इनके fandom मतलब बने हुए हैं.
I have a minuscule part in it. I'm telling you very honestly, and I'm not trying to be modest. I'm not modest. But the season one, the original cast, what they did, and the legacy that they have is unparalleled. And I'm just happy to be a part of a small cog in the vessel.
Oh, small dog.
I know, yeah. Please don't say small, small.
There were two small cogs.
हम parallel universe में ऐसी बातें करते हैं. Please join us. But yeah, continue.
So, sorry, what was the question?
You are distracted. I will audio work. Audio work तो भाई मेरा सवाल actually complete करने से पहले I thought you had some insights. No problem. Please continue. I want to hear this. Please, Vijay, do not apologize for giving us stories that we all want to hear. So, my question was, you said minuscule part. Okay, I'm sure all of us disagree.
In the fandom.
Of course. But like I said, that's the main interesting why I said that you've been able to make a space for yourself in the fandom.
Yeah.
और मुझे लगता है वो इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि the way you've played it is so interesting. The little things that you did, the way you changed your gait, everything. मुझे लगता है
मतलब शत्रु की जो स्माइल है, ये भरत तो खैर I don't think.
Yeah.
Bharat also smiles, but not different.
Yeah, शत्रु smile.
So I want to know how that was for you in season 3 because now,
Yeah.
you look like a major player in this world. Now you have revenge and you have been kind of sucked into the world and you're asking for. Which like you also must have now kind of.
I think I would describe season 2 as multiple personality that I felt like I had. And season 3 is like a split personality. So that is the kind of space that it's a lot of inner turmoil and conflict that frankly when I was shooting I was very confused and I kept telling I don't know, I'm confused. And it's like exactly how you're supposed to feel. It's exactly the right space you are in for these scenes.
Like actor pretending to be a character who's pretending to be another person. It's crazy, right?
Yeah. So,
And much more.
yeah, I think this is for me and it's all fueled by that failure in love and failure of and grieving the departed. So it's a massive revenge-driven, love-lone, fully defected, infected heart is operating from some crazy place. So it's interesting.
So you're all kind of actually had a lot of fun kind of going all getting your hand all bloody.
Yeah. When you suffer that badly, you venture into dark alleys that you've never been before. So you will discover what happens when you venture into dark alleys.
Fantastic. Shita, the Lady in Black. You have done me again another very interesting graph in change. Like I said, now all the women have become even more powerful. I just interviewed Meena ji और मैंने उनको पूछा इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड में अगर एक किरदार चूज करना है सब अलायंस बनाएंगे तो वो कौन होगा
क्या जवाब था?
एम से स्टार्ट होता है और कौन हो सकता है जिनको वो चूज करेंगे हु इज द अदर कैरेक्टर विद मां जी अच्छा मैंने मुझे ये जानना है आपसे कि what is your answer to the same question? If you had to pick alliances, and this is an imaginary question, again I want to give my question, so I want to say this is an imaginary world. If she had control, who would you pick as alliances in this world?
अगर मेरे पास कंट्रोल होता तो मैं बहुत और चीजें करती
बताइए ना मुझे बहुत जानना है
alliance.
हाँ
I think it would be interesting if Dimpy has an alliance with छोटे त्यागी और बड़े त्यागी, whatever the Tyagis. Yeah. Whoever he's pretending to be.
Romantic alliance की बात
एक तो ये इनको बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है भाई का किरदार निभाते
In the game of happening, and in all this madness, I think
He
that's
had
why.
to also have an alliance with Robin's mother. What if Robin's mother is
सब पीछे पड़ गए।
वो तो फैक्ट्री में काम करती है ना,
तो कैसे पता?
the carpet factory.
कुछ भी
You just saw season 2. You have not noticed the biggest clue of season 2. That is Robin's mom working in the carpet factory.
now everybody will go and rewatch season 2 again just for this.
Don't believe me. We'll find out. But it's still to be cast actually. And I think some 2-3 calls have gone to some very interesting people. Yeah.
So we are discussing fan theories a little. कुछ imaginary hints मिल गए तो हम लोग बड़े excited हो गए। कुछ पढ़ते हैं और it's open to all. I won't have the time to go to anybody. So we'll discuss 2 fan theories and tell me your plausible reactions to them. Reactions देना है, आपको क्या लगता है, उस पे आलोचना करना है. Okay? Are you ready? You'll just tell. You'll just start whoever wants to. Okay. They say that Chhote Tyagi's character's trajectory reveals a very calculating personality. So the theory is suggesting that he might eventually take down his father, steer the plot into a new dimension of a very complex father-son dynamics, both in the series, basically kind of take over and do. What are your reactions? Do you think this? How plausible can the theory be?
अच्छी थी तो
It's a good one.
वही छोटे fancy. योगी भी तो होने चाहिए.
Oh, ये ऐसे कमेंट्स के लिए मैं बढ़ती हूँ क्यों ना? आपको लगता नहीं वो क्या?
अभी तो पालने से बाहर.
पर अब तो वो छोटे और बड़े दोनों हैं तो योग्य भी
सुन रहे हैं आप? ध्यान से सुनिए. Okay. They say Robin might hold the key to Mirzapur season 3. Theories say that Robin harbors hidden agendas that could unfold in the upcoming season, reshaping the dynamics of Mirzapur season 3.
क्योंकि उसके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. कुछ नहीं पता है. कहाँ से आता है?
मैंने नहीं पूछा कभी आज तक बताओ.
But I mean, the character is like that, right? You're not showing too much in the scene, you don't know, they're like not really playing in the main lines.
प्रकट हो जाता है.
जी. तो हो सकता है. अच्छी theories है. और comment interesting कुछ नहीं. How क्या था?
ये भी ठीक.
ये भी ठीक है. चलिए. Okay, एक और last ना report my last segment. Theory ये है कि बीना जी गुड्डू जी के साथ खेल खेलेंगे. उनको लगता है कि बीना जी बिल्कुल भी गुड्डू जी के साइड में नहीं है. उसके अलायंस को वो मैनिपुलेट कर रही है. अल्टीमेटली उनमें एक्चुअली भावनाएं पैदा हो रही है क्योंकि उनके पास वारिस है. Actually, very contrary to what Bina just told me, how she feels as a character, very disconnected. Yes, theory में ये बताया जा रहा है कि she actually kind of now starts gravitating towards उनके त्रिपाठी.
बिना सिर्फ बिना की.
ये तो सही.
और अब लल्ला की
तो in this theory, apparently, Guddu ji, you are going to get a massive धोखा from her.
On the contrary, I think she's going to be a very good partner. And I don't mean any partner. I mean a romantic alliance.
Simple 1 minute I have to type. You just tell me if you know the answer. Just do this and say. Okay, I'm going to tell you a dialogue. You'll have to guess who has said this dialogue. Okay? इज्जत नहीं करते हैं, डरते हैं सबसे. Bang on. Okay. माता जी यहाँ है, बहन यहाँ है, माँ बहन एक करने में आसान है. Okay. जीत की गारंटी तभी है जब जीत और हार दोनों तुम्हारे कंट्रोल.
शकुंतला.
Oj is the character.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of fun. We will do a part 2 hopefully soon क्योंकि हमको शायद सीजन देखने के बाद सीजन देखने के बाद मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ खूब कर बड़े प्यारे आंसर्स दिए हैं. कुछ रिवील नहीं हुआ है बट मजे मुझे बहुत आए हैं. Just like the trailer. Thank you so much. Sending you lots of love.
Thank you.
Love. Thank you so much.